Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we've got The Doors and Strange Days. Let's check it out. Cool start.
Strange days have found us. Strange days have tracked us down. They're going to destroy our cash. You will join. We shall go on playing or find a new town. Yeah! Strange eyes fill strange room. Voices will sing of their tired end. The hostess is grinning. Her guests sleep from singing. He'll talk of sin, and you know this is it. Yeah! Strange days have found us, and through their strange hours we linger alone. Bodies confused, as we ran from the dangerous strange night of stone.
Strange Days, and that was a strange song. I love the way the bass slid in there. I have no idea what some of the stuff was that he was doing there. There was what was the instrument that they used for the intro, that high-pitched sound. I couldn't tell what that was, but there was a lot of synth keys, a lot of synthesizers, a very bizarre sound, and there's that weird, it's almost like a reverb or like an echo or something that they're doing with Morrison's voice. It kind of sounds like he's in this big empty room and singing from a distance away from the microphone. It's a strange effect. I can't quite tell what it is. If you are more well versed in musical techniques than I am, and you can tell me what it is that they were doing with his voice in this song, by all means please let me know. I haven't heard a hell of a lot of The Doors. I've heard songs, pretty much the songs that everybody knows, like Light My Fire, you know. There is another one which I cannot for the life of me remember what it was called, but I think it's about 2 or 3 songs of The Doors that I've actually heard. I must say the predominant decades in my musical experience is mostly from the 60s and from the 80s and the 90s, because that's when I was a teenager, in the 90s. But the 70s, for some reason, is a bizarre gap. It's almost like my interest in music kind of skipped a decade, because a lot of the music that I listen to is 60s. There's a lot of stuff. I mean, like the Beatles. Um, why every time I think of the 60s, I get to the Beatles and then I just stop because it's like nobody else matters. But there was a lot of really great music in the 60s. And then skip over the 70s with little bits and pieces. I mean, like ABBA and good God, I cannot remember anything now. I've hit a total blank. But what I'm getting at is that I haven't really listened to a lot of music from the 70s. So if you know any songs that are like were like really big hits in the 70s that I might not know, by any chance, by all, my brain is like misfiring. Anyway, if there are any great songs from the 70s that you think I should know, by all means drop them in the comments below and I will definitely get to them at some point. Well guys, that was The Doors and Strange Days. If you liked the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for over 200 videos already on the channel and plenty more still to come. Until next time, ciao.